Discover the timeless allure of Paris, a city that effortlessly blends history, art, and romance. From the iconic Eiffel Tower to the artistic treasures of Louvre, every corner reveals a new layer of Parisian charm. Stroll through the charming streets, indulge in cafe culture, and immerse yourself in the city's private neighborhood. Experience the tranquility of Montmartre or wander through the enchanting gardens of Versailles. Paris awaits, ready to captivate and inspire your senses. Eiffel Tower. As we arrived in Paris, the sight of Eiffel Tower took our breath away. Its towering presence against the Parisian skyline is truly awe-inspiring. Join us as we delve into the history and charm of this architectural masterpiece. Did you know that the Eiffel Tower was built as the entrance arch for the 1889 World's Fair? It was initially met with fixed reactions but soon became an iconic symbol of Paris. Today it stands as a testament to human ingenuity and engineering marvel. We couldn't resist the opportunity to ascend to the top of the Eiffel Tower. The panoramic views of the Paris from its observation decks are simply breathtaking. Join us as we capture the city's beauty from a whole new perspective. From up here, you can see the Seine River winding through the city, the grandeur of Louvre Museum, and the charming street of Montmartre. The Eiffel Tower truly offers a magical vantage point to soak in the beauty of Paris. The Eiffel Tower not only offers incredible views but also a vibrant atmosphere. Surrounding the tower, you will find charming cafes, street performers, and artists capturing the essence of Paris. It's a perfect spot to relax, people watch, and immerse yourself in the city's energy. Louvre Museum. As we approach the Louvre Museum, its grandeur and architectural beauty left us in awe. Join us as we step into this magnificent place-turned museum and discover the treasure it holds within. Did you know that the Louvre Museum was once a royal palace? It has a rich history dating back over 800 years. Today it houses an extensive collection of art and artifacts from various civilizations, spanning thousands of years. Walking through the Louvre's vast halls, we encountered masterpieces that have shaped the art world, from Leonardo da Vinci enigmatic Mona Lisa to the majestic winged Victory of Montmartre. Each artwork tells a unique story and leaves a lasting impression. Beyond the famous masterpieces, the Louvre holds hidden gems and curiosities waiting to be discovered. We stumbled upon lesser-known artworks, ancient artifacts. Exploring these hidden corners added an element of mystery to our journey. The Louvre Museum is not just a place to admire art, it's a hub of cultural exchange. We witnessed visitors from all around the world, engaging in conversations, sketching, and immersing themselves in the beauty that surrounds them. It's a testament to the universal language of art. Notre-Dame Cathedral. As we approached the Notre-Dame Cathedral, its towering spires and intricate Gothic architecture took our breath away. Join us as we step into the sacred place and delve into its fascinating story. Did you know that the Notre-Dame Cathedral dates back over 800 years? It has witnessed magnificent historical events and played a central role in French culture. From coronations to Victor Hugo's famous novel, The Hunchback of Notre Dame, this cathedral holds a special place in the hearts of Parisians. Stepping inside the Notre Dame Cathedral, we are greeted by a breathtaking sight. The soaring stained glass window and the ethereal ambience create an atmosphere of awe and reverence. Join us as we explore the nave, chapels, and the magnificent rose windows. Climbing up the bell towers, we discover the famous bells of Notre Dame. These historic bells have rung for centuries, marking significant moments in Persian history. The view from the top offers a panoramic vista of the city, making it a must-visit spot for any traveler. In 2019, a devastating fire struck the Notre-Dame Cathedral, causing significant damage. However, the spirit of reliance prevailed and restoration efforts have been underway to restore the architectural masterpiece to its former glory. Witnessing the restoration work reminds us to the enduring spirit of Notre Dame. Montmartre. As we step into the winding streets of Montmartre, we are immediately captivated by its unique atmosphere. This neighborhood has been a haven for artists, writers, and dreamers for centuries. Join us as we immerse ourselves in the vibrant spirit of Montmartre. Our journey begins at the iconic Sacré-Cœur Basilica, perched atop the highest point in Montmartre. The stunning white-domed basilica offers panoramic views of Paris and serves as a symbol of hope and reliance. Let's explore its grandeur and learn about its significance. Montmartre has been a hub of artistic inspiration. From the famous Place du Trait, where artists set up their easels, to the charming art studios and galleries, creativity flows through every corner. Join us as we discover the artistic legacy that continues to thrive in Montmartre. No visit to Montmartre is complete without indulging in its private cafe culture. We found ourselves immersed in the bohemian vibes, sipping coffees and people watching. The lively conversations, street performances, and the sense of freedom make Montmartre a true haven for free spirits. Beyond the bustling streets, Montmartre holds hidden gems and secrets garden waiting to be discovered. We stumbled upon charming square, tucked away vineyards, and peaceful park that offers a scene escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Join us as we uncover this hidden treasure and experience the tranquility they provide. Montmartre is also synonymous with the world-famous Moulin Rouge and its captivating cabaret shows. This legendary venue has been entertaining audience for over a century, showcasing extravagant performances and dazzling costumes. Let's dive into the world of cabaret and experience the glitz and glamour firsthand. Montmartre has long been associated with love and romance. From the picturesque vineyard of Clos Montmartre to the famous I Love You wall, where I Love You is written in over 300 languages. This neighborhood exudes an undeniable charm that ignites the flame of fashion. Join us as we embrace the romantic ambience of Palace of Versailles. As we step into the Palace of Versailles, we are transported back to the 17th century, a time of kings and queens, lavish parties, and political intrigue. This palace, originally built as a hunting lodge, was transformed into a symbol of absolute monarchy under the reign of Louis XI and the Sun King. Let's explore the rich history that surrounds. One of the most breathtaking sights within the Palace of Versailles is the Hall of Mirrors. This iconic gallery, adorned with stunning chandeliers and intricately designed mirrors, served as a venue for royal ceremonies and celebrations. Imagine the grandeur and elegance that once filled these halls as we take you on a virtual tour. Beyond the palace walls lies a sprawling landscape of meticulously manicured gardens and enchanting fountains. These gardens were designed by André de Notre, a renowned landscape architect of his time. Let's stroll through the picturesque pathways, marvel at the symmetrical designs, and witness the mesmerizing water displays. While the Palace of Versailles is known for its grandeur, it also hides interrogating stories and hidden gems. Join us as we uncover some of the lesser-known aspects of this historical landmark, from secret passages to hidden chambers. Prepare to be amazed. As our journey to the Palace of Versailles comes to an end, let's reflect on the inspiring beauty and historical significance we experience. The palace served as the armandure of the power, but also the importance of preserving and appreciating our cultural heritage.